my name is Karina Banaduk and I bought my she shed.
Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, yeah.
Dreams do come true, you guys. I bought my she shed. I don't have it on my property yet. I am waiting for them to deliver it. So hopefully I can get video footage of it tonight. I've been dreaming of having a she shed for quite a while and it's gonna be kind of my workshop. I'm super excited about that. And it has been 5 weeks since I started working on this house, which seems crazy. I definitely feel like I could be a little bit further along, but considering I'm doing almost everything myself except for plumbing and electric, with just a little bit of help here and there, I think I'm doing pretty good. I will definitely have everything painted and have floors by the time I have to move in here, which is 21 days away from now. I hopefully will have at least one full bathroom complete, and then I know for a fact I will not be having cabinets in the kitchen because they're only gonna be delivered October 7th. Hopefully I can get my microwave in here and just have a microwave and a fridge. And actually, I'm not gonna, if you can see right now, the plug for the fridge is not there, so I'm gonna have to have the fridge probably in the living room. So everything's gonna be a mess. I'll just take you on the tour and show you how it is on the inside, and then when I have the shed, I can take some video footage of that and then show you as well. So I'm super excited, let's go! Alrighty, so we're beginning the tour from the door, how we usually do. Nothing much changed here, except for the fridge is here. And I used the bathtub cardboard to wrap it up, and even though it has like that protective layer on the top, the back doesn't have it, and you know, I just don't want dust to get on it. As you can see, there is a lot of dust in the air, so I did the best I could wrapping it up, and the sides I'll just wipe down. I mean, I'll wipe the whole thing down, and then nothing much changed there. Just rearrange a few things. Here on the other hand, everything is patched up. I just want to show you right here where I said that I used 2 different methods on patching up the wall. It is a little bit more like standing out, and you can still see my patching over there, so I can probably mud it a little bit more. But this is the $6 solution, and this is the free solution with spare materials that I have. So once I mud it here a little bit more, you will see it is almost the same. And I patched up over here, and now there's a big hole over here. So yeah, the plumber said that he had to move the box for the washer and dryer to put my fancy faucet for my sink over there. So that's that. Not much happened on this wall here. And in my spare bathroom, I patched up the wall in the shower. The plumber might have to take it off, so it's not mudded yet, but I did patch up here yesterday. It's not dry, so I can't sand. And I patched up over there, and I do need 2 more pieces of drywall over there, which I don't have, and I don't have a truck, which is why I'm looking for one. Also patched here. Measure 2 or 3 times before you cut, you guys. Yeah, but I did patch it up, and now everything's fine, and once it's gonna be sanded, it's gonna be all peachy. And here I cleaned up a little bit, and then a new mess happened because we took the sink out. So right now I don't have a sink, and I don't have running water because this is what's happening. And yeah, I just use bottled water to wash my hands before I leave, and when I have to use the restroom, I just go home. And here I worked on my shower niche and niche. I call it niche. I know it's not that. I have to Google how to say it, but that's where all the shampoo and everything is gonna go. It's gonna be majestic. And there, I had to wait for an extension for my shower because it's a fancy shower with all the plumbing on the outside. Bathtub, it's in. I'm pretty sure it has been in since last time too. And then plumber gave me an autograph on the bathtub. So yeah, this is it for this week. I do have to go outside and film the shed once they come install it. Okay, so little update. I am filming in here because it's quieter than outside, but I waited around all day to get my shed so I can film it and show it to you guys, and I'm not gonna get it today because when they pull it on whatever they bring it here with, it came apart, like some part of the back wall came apart, and they tried to fix it and they couldn't because apparently the person who does all the fixing is off today, so they're gonna do it on Monday and then probably bring it to me on Tuesday. So I am a little bit sad, but it's okay. I wasn't gonna really do anything to it today, and then I work the next few days. So I still want to show you what happened outside, so let's go. I finally got a trash service to come and pick up my trash, so I have my trash bin right here, and then I do have to take that pole out, but it's the least of my worries right now. And I used to have, oh, look at my squirrel. Can you see the squirrel? Let's zoom in. I know I kind of took away some of its homes, right? I don't know which tree she lives in. I don't know why I assumed it's a she, but anyways, I used to have right here, there were 3 trees. And then I have those 2, and then the big pine one. So, funny story, the day that I had the guys come and cut these ones, the neighbor cut 6 really big trees. And yeah, so I still have the stumps. We'll have to take care of these later. But now when my shed will come right here, you'll be able to open the doors. There's double doors right in front of it. So it already made it look so much brighter. Everything is... I can't find the words except for brighter. Everything is much brighter and nicer, and I love it. So I can't wait to get the shed. I will show you pictures of it, and yep, we'll see how it goes. Thank you for following along for one more week. This was week 5 of the renovation vlog. I feel like a lot of things have happened this week. Throughout the week, I do post on Instagram at Karina Beneduk, where you can see what I'm working on before I post the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to show your support. Thank you for following along. I will see you next Saturday. Hey there! My name is Karina Beneduk. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Okay, this was it. Post throughout the week over there to... Okay, let's start over.